The situation in Ethiopia right now is not suitable for any independent human rights and governance work due to a number of legislative and administrative measures that were taken right after the 2005 elections. And we are now in a position no local independent actors are monitoring what is going on in terms of human rights in Ethiopia. And that has been clearly shown by the fact that the May elections that were conducted this year happened to give the ruling party a 99.6% win. The proclamation had the effect of undermining all forms of human rights work in Ethiopia, and it did by way of prohibiting organizations from receiving more than 10% of their funding from foreign sources if they want to work on human rights areas. And it also gives the Charities and Societies Agency, which is a supervisory body for NGOs, very overbroad powers. We have been made to change our mandate or to remove all election-related activities from our list of program activities. We were forced to change our names, and as a consequence of the funding, the restriction on funding, we were forced to close 9 of our 12 branch offices, and we were also forced to terminate the contracts of more than 45 of our 60 staff members. Nobody denies that Ethiopia needs as much development assistance it could get from its donor partners, but the issue is there needs to be an effective mechanism of control as to where this development aid is going and how it is being utilized in terms of whether it is being used for political purposes or whether it is actually reaching to the people that it is originally intended to. Well, we are looking at reports, investigative reports that actually indicate that aid is being used for political purposes and in the form of buying supporters to the ruling party, or in the form of attacking those who are not necessarily supporting the ruling party. And we believe that that is not the purpose the donor countries had